Welcome to the discussion of cognitive and observational learning. In addition to behavioral learning, psychologists investigate cognitive learning. These refer to the higher-level learning, involve thinking, knowing, understanding, and anticipating. And there is also a study on latent learning, which refers to the learning occurs without obvious reinforcement. And it is not demonstrated until reinforcement is provided. There are two related concepts in cognitive learning. The first one is rote learning. Rote learning takes place mechanically, through repetition and memorizations, or by learning a set of rules. It does not emphasize understanding. There is also another kind of learning called discovery learning. This type of learning is based on insight and understanding. Think about your previous learning experience. Was it rote learning or discovery learning? Albert Bandura proposed another concept of learning, which is the observational learning. Observational learning occurs when an individual watches and imitates the actions of another person, or he notes the consequences of another person's actions. For example, an individual observes another person fail at exams with certain way of study. He will avoid that way of study. This type of learning occurs before direct practice is allowed. And the individual who is observed is called the model. He or she serves as an example for another person. There are several steps for effective observational learning occurs. In the first step, the observer must pay attention to the modeled behavior. Usually, novel situations tend to draw more attention. In the second step, the observer must be able to recall the modeled behavior. It is the retention stage, and the details of the behavior had to be memorized. The third step is motor reproduction. The observer must have the motor skills needed to reproduce the action. The fourth step refers to the motivation and opportunity. The individual is motivated to carry out the actions they have observed and remembered. And more importantly, they must have the opportunity to do so.